The rectangle with the smallest perimeter, the rectangles A and B on the right are equivalent, means they have the same area. The dimensions, they don't look like they have the same area, right? Like this one looks like it has half the area of that one, but drawings are not to scale. The dimensions in centimeter of a rectangle A are 3x and x plus 1, and for rectangle B are 5x plus 3 and x minus 1. Of all rectangles equivalent to rectangle A, find the dimensions of the one with the smallest perimeter. We know that these two are equivalent. I'm going to use that to solve for x. The area of this rectangle is equal to the area of that rectangle, which is 3x times x plus 1 is equal to x minus 1 times 5x plus 3. 3x comes in, multiplies the x, giving us 3x squared. 3x times 1 is 3x. X times 5x is 5x squared. X times 3 is 3x. Negative 1 times 5x is negative 5x. Negative 1 times 3 is negative 3. I'm going to subtract 3x squared from both sides, and that's going to give me 2x squared. Then I'm going to subtract the 3x from both sides, and we're left with negative 5x minus 3. I want to factor this. I'm looking for the factors of 2. I'm using trial and error. I'm thinking that's just going to be 2 and 1. I'm going to have 2x and x, and then the factors of 3 and 1. All right, I'm going to put the 1 with the 2 and try the 3 out here. Try it a few different ways, and this is what you end up getting using trial and error. 2x plus 1, x minus 3. You can also use decomposition if you like. You could even use the quadratic equation. You could use completing the square or the quadratic formula. We end up with 2x plus 1 times x minus 3 is equal to 0, which gives us 2x plus 1 must be equal to 0, or the x minus 3 is equal to 0. 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. We get, subtract 1 from both sides, and divide both sides by 2. We get x is equal to some negative amount, right? So 3x becomes negative. If that's the case, it doesn't make sense, so we're going to discount this one. Then we have 0 is equal to x minus 3, add 3 to both sides, x is equal to 3. Discount this one, keep that one. We know the x is 3. Now they're asking us, of all the rectangles equivalent to rectangle A, find the dimensions of the one with the smallest perimeter. Okay, well, what's the area of this? If x is equal to 3, that gives us 9 times 4, which is 36. Okay, and by the way, this would be 15 plus 3 is 18, times 2 is also 36. 18 times 2 is 36, 9 times 4 is 36. We're looking for a rectangle that has the smallest perimeter. That's going to be a square. The smallest perimeter would be a square. The biggest perimeter would be a really narrow rectangle. Very, very small width, huge length would be the biggest perimeter. The opposite of that is a square. The smallest perimeter is a square. The area of this rectangle, length times width is 4 times 9 is 36. The area of this rectangle is also 36. So we're looking for a square whose area is 36. So I'm going to take the square root of that, which is just 6. So we're talking about a 6 by 6 rectangle, which is a square. We're talking about 6 by 6. And that's it for question number 16. Have a good day.